Hey guys, Android.com here at the Ubuntu booth at Mobile World Congress, and we're here with Richard from Canonical, and he's going to show us Ubuntu for Android. We have, I guess, a Motorola HX2. HX2 is it's docked, it's desktop docked, and we have the monitor here. So what's going on here? What can you show us?
So we've used this HX2 as a particular target hardware just to show the prototype version of our Ubuntu for desktop solution. So the HX2 has particular hardware requirements which are needed to run this type of prototype. It's got a very high-powered dual-core processing running 1 GHz. It's got sufficient RAM and memory to support and host the native operating system. So once docked to an HDMI display, we've engineered the kernel so the kernel will boot both Android and Ubuntu at the same time. Okay. So this is the native system of Ubuntu. It's the full desktop. If you go into the application lens, you can see this is the standard Ubuntu experience. All of the applications and services that are available with the standard Ubuntu operating system are available to use on this system. This also includes Android applications, so we can see the full range of Android applications that are available to use over the desktop UI. We've got address book integration, so we can see all the address contacts that have been maintained in the Android address book. So this is full integration taking place between the Ubuntu services and the relevant Android applications. We've also got thin clients set up here, so this is designed for high-end business users who want a fully fledged desktop experience. We've got a thin client set up with Excel, so we've got Microsoft Office running in the cloud, so you can see that's a very efficient service and running very, very quickly indeed. We've got telephony integration, so the system will make and receive incoming calls using this user interface. Same with SMSs. You can do network configuration, so you've got the ability to set up and manage different Wi-Fi networks, and those Wi-Fi network configurations will be saved to the system settings on the Android phone. So when the Android phone is not docked, it will automatically authenticate and connect to Wi-Fi networks that are set up with this interface.
So if the Android phone has data connection, like cellular connection, will Ubuntu use that can it use that?
Yeah, the Ubuntu system can use the connectivity that's being driven from the phone itself. So it can be set up to be used on Wi-Fi or 3G or eventually LTE as well. For the Wi-Fi would be the most performance, obviously, given the network requirements and the fact we're running a full-on desktop OS here. Obviously, that network connectivity needs to be as available as possible.
Okay. So, is there full software repository support here, or also full Ubuntu One support?
So yeah, we have Ubuntu One set up. So you can just see it's integrated. So we can access Ubuntu One. So it's something where you can use that service to synchronize and store and back up certain files. So it's got a photo gallery service as well. So by going into the Dash UI, we can sort of access and open photos that are stored on the Android. We can use the desktop editor within the Shopwell application to change the look and feel of the photos, edit them, save those photos back to the phone itself. So there's full integration going on between the relevant Android applications that we believe are relevant for this user interface, but it's really designed to work on design for handset manufacturers to take this prototype and embed it at source within their target hardware.
This distribution of Ubuntu, is this going to be upgraded alongside the desktop versions, or
exactly
on its own? Okay.
Exactly, yeah. There's total cadence in terms of the way that this version of the desktop will be upgraded with all future versions of Ubuntu.
Okay, nice. And what about the UI here? Is this just for the Android, Ubuntu for Android, or are you looking to use this in, I guess, all versions of Ubuntu, or?
The the UI here.
Yeah.
So yeah, this is the standard Unity user interface. So we're not going to detract in any way from what the standard Ubuntu experience is all about. It's a fully fledged desktop operating system. It's designed to work efficiently and effectively on any laptop device, and now it's designed in the same way to operate on particular smartphone hardware as well.
Nice. And this is currently available on your site, right?
So yeah, there's lots of information on our website. I'd encourage people to go and take a good look and have a read through. There's lots of information there. We're very excited about what we've done so far. We're now going to be working with handset manufacturers who are talking to us about embedding this at the factory. So we hope to be shipping this on high-end smartphones before the end of the year.
Alright, and that's Ubuntu for Android. Thank you so much, Richard and Canonical team. UbuntuForAndroid.com. Thanks.